And you're on.
Hello again, everybody. The next car that you've selected to view on ClassicMuscleCars.com is another new arrival. Now, this is a 1968 Mustang Fastback, and this is a beautiful, beautiful car. This car has got a 289 automatic. Now, this is an early 1968, therefore it's got a 289 in it. In mid-year of 1968, they put the 302 in the Mustangs. This car has had an extensive restoration on it, but there is things that we are going to do to get the car the way that we want to sell it to you. Now, it has a beautiful paint job on it, and it's a base coat, clear coat with a lot of clear. The car has not been buffed. Since it was restored, it's not a car that was buffed. What, Ed?
You're on.
Hello again, everybody. Damn! Man! Get this frog out of my throat, man.
Rolling.
Hello again, everybody. The next car that you've selected to view is a 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. Now, this is a beautifully restored car, and
Bing bong.
hello again. Oh. All right, ready?
67 Fastback. It's got the fold-down uncomfortable seat in the back.
Okay.
All right.
Hello again, everybody. The next car that you've selected to view on ClassicMuscleCars.com is another new arrival. It's a 1967 Ford Mustang. Oh, man. That's the problem with me, man. I can't.
And you're on.
Hello again, everybody. The next car that you've selected to view on ClassicMuscleCars.com is another new exciting arrival. It's a 1967 Mustang Fastback. Replaced or brand new. Ed has a complete list of everything that was been done to this car, every component that's in this.
You're on.
Hello again, everybody. The next car that you've selected to view on ClassicMuscleCars.com is another new arrival. It's a 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback, and let me tell you, this car was a rusted out piece of crap before it got done. And now it has been restored. It had no floors in it, and we had to put new floors in it because you could do Fred Flintstone. Actually put your feet right down on the ground. The frame was hanging out of it and everything. It was just a rusted out Ford piece of crap. Found on the road dead. That's what Ford stands for. Fixed over, fucked over Dodge, and found first on race day is wrong. It was fucked on race day. That's this 1967 beautiful Ford Mustang hardtop crap car.
Don't forget, fast only running downhill, designed by 4 old Russian drunks. Fucked over, rebuilt today.
Where's my buddy?
And you're on.
Hello, everybody. The next car that you've selected to view on ClassicMuscleCars.com is another new exciting arrival. Now, this is a beautifully restored 1967 Ford Fastback Mustang, and these are the hot ones. We love the Fastbacks here because these cars have really brought themselves up in the front line for Mustang collectability because they're Fastbacks. Because of the movie Bullet, because of the movie Gone in 60 Seconds, these cars have a great resurgence of popularity, and this is a beautiful car. You don't see too many in this color combination. It's a beautiful blue metallic, and it has a two-tone light blue, dark blue interior, which is brand new. Now, there is some things that we need to do to complete this car. This is a base coat, clear coat paint. It's an excellent paint job, but it was never wet sand and buffed. We're going to take a 3,800 RPM buffer on a pad, we call like a rubber pad, and we're going to wet sand this car with 2000. We're going to get it slick as glass. You'll be able to shave in this car when we're done with the finish on it. There's enough clear on it that we can get this car flat as a window pane. It's going to be an awesome, beautiful paint job. Now, it's got wide oval correct tires on it, raised white letters with the 5-spoke Magnum 500 wheels. They're just absolutely brand new. They're beautiful on the car. This car is equipped with the original 289 engine and an automatic trans. It has a fold down back seat. The bumpers have been replated. All the emblems are new all the way around the car. So there has been a lot of work done to get this car into the condition where it's at. It's got a beautiful grille in the center of the car. It's got the taillight lenses have been replaced. All the chrome trim around the back of the trunk and so forth, all of that has been redone. And again, I want to stress the fact that the interior was really done beyond what you would normally see on one of these cars, because they even replaced all of the dash plastic. It is just a gorgeous car. So I'm going to turn you over to Jeremy. He's going to take you for a tour around on this car, and we should have this car done very shortly. If you need any more information, give Ed a call at 847-526-5950, and he can give you more info, more pictures. And trust me, if you can come up here and see this Mustang, it's worth the trip, because it is an absolute pristine, gorgeous automobile.